What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Big Smurf from the Wolf Stop, back with another video. As y'all know, you guys, man, we've been waiting to get the headliner done in the Tahoe for a minute now, man. We've been actually just been waiting on these little Starlights to come, and they finally came. So, you know, we're gonna go ahead and get everything situated with that. Before as everything else, man, I appreciate everybody who done left a comment on the video on what color that y'all think that we should go with for us the headliner. Man, I think I done narrowed it down. But besides that, you know, I appreciate everybody who done subscribed to the channel and things of that nature. Man, like I say, bro, 2021, it's a new year, positive lives, spread positive vibes, you guys. So with that being said, if you're new to the channel, just watching the videos like that, man, can you please like, share, subscribe to the channel? Most importantly, share the videos, you guys, so that the videos can, you know, be spread across the platforms, man, and we can actually start getting like more viewers and likes and things of that nature. But other than that, we about to get into this little unboxing of these lights, man. So let's get it. All right, you guys. This the package. This how it actually came. So we're gonna just basically just open this up with you guys. You know, everything that I get or everything that I do, I like to share it with you guys, man. Bring y'all a part, you know, of this build, man. Everything that I do, you know, you guys been so good to me, man. I appreciate everybody who just come and view the channel and leave me a comment, things like that, man. And guys, I did win with the one kit, 1,000 piece. Actually, I was gonna order two 550 pieces, but I just thought it was better just for me to just order one kit. That way, you know, I can just keep everything all together. Things like that. But we gonna bust it out the box, you guys. Give me a second, I'm gonna turn it back on and we gonna see just exactly what they something. All right, you guys, as you can see, we done got the kit open and we got the engine and the little back piece and got a lighter hookup. It come with an antenna. And you have your remote in this box. And in the other box, you got your little, your fiber optics. And this should be 1,000 of them. So we gonna pull it out the box, you guys. And I'm gonna actually see if I can get it plugged up for you guys. See how it look with the lights turned on. All right, you guys. Now I just walked it out to the truck just to turn them on and, oh my. Man, I can't wait. And as y'all can see, the remote, you got your red, your green, your blue. You got jump, fade. You got your motor speed. You can actually control the speed of the twinkle, I believe. And when you press that, you got music on, music off, breathe, flash. And also you can sync this thing up to your phone. So yeah, you guys, what y'all think? It's supposed to be 1,000 of them. It don't really look like 1,000, but I guess they're just so thin. But anyway, you guys, I thought I'd just come out here to the truck and just show you guys this fiber optic little kit we will be putting up here, man. So yeah, like I said, you guys, I appreciate everybody that watching this video. Jump down in the comments, leave your boy a comment. If you're new to the page, can you like, share, subscribe to the Woodstock? Again, this your boy Big Smurf from the Woodstock. Y'all have a blessed day. Gone. Baby,